Hi, this is Jackie, and this is lesson 3 from Planet Einstein. I'm here to help you, and in lesson 3, you're actually going to open your eBay account. At this point, you've already done a couple of things. Number 1, you've given yourself a little pep talk, got your mindset in gear in terms of what it takes to be a business owner, not an employee. You have inventoried about 20 different things that you got for free, either from right there in your own home or from family or wherever you got it, but it didn't cost you anything. You didn't go out and buy things yet. So you have researched those items and put them into your inventory spreadsheet. I suggested to you an Excel spreadsheet and categorized everything and know what a fair asking price is based on the research you did, right? Okay, so now you're ready to do your first listing, but in order to do that, you have to have an eBay seller's account. So you're going to go into ebay.com, and I'm showing you this on my screen now, so let's look at that. But first, here are the things you have to have in place. You need to have a registered eBay business account, which we are about ready to do, a connected automated payment method, which we will be doing, an official online business, which you will have at the end of this video. So, ready to do it? Okay, so to get started, here's what you're going to need. You're going to need an email address or an email account that will be unique to just your eBay presence. You don't want all your emails mixed together, and it makes life so much easier if you have a separate email designated just for your eBay business. You're going to need your correct business or whatever phone number you have that is your legitimate phone number where people can reach you, where eBay can call you if they would need to, and a credit card that you're going to use for your eBay business. Again, if you can keep it separate, that's a really good idea. You definitely don't want to mix your personal credit card with your business credit card. So a good idea to have a separate business account set up for a credit card. So you're going to go to ebay.com and we're going to register. So in the upper left-hand top corner, you will see it says hi, sign in, or register. You want to click on register. It will take us there, and it says create an account. So what you're going to do is fill in your first name, last name, the email address for your eBay account, a strong password, and make this strong. And they always say if you can remember it, it's not strong enough. So make it strong so it will be as secure as you can possibly make it. So then once you fill that in, you will create the create account. You will just click on that. So up here where it says create an account, right now it's on personal account. You want to click it to business account, and that changes the format of it a little bit. You'll want your business name. What are you going to call yourself? Give that a little bit of thought, but don't let it hang you up in terms of getting started. Again, your business email, that address that you're going to make unique to your account, and your password, and then your business location in United States, which I assume is where you are. You don't want to click this. It says, I only want to buy on eBay. I don't want to sell. Wrong. You want to sell on eBay, so don't click that box. And then you're going to click on Create an Account. So I'm back in my store on my actual eBay account, and I am in the seller hub. But what you're going to need to do next is to set up your payments. So here's what you do after you have verified your account, you receive that code and put those numbers in, then you've verified the account and you will need to set up your payment system. That's for you to get and receive money, or give and receive money, and obviously for your customers to be able to pay you, for you to be able to pay eBay the fees that you will owe them, for you to offer refunds when something goes wrong and you have to refund your customers' money or do a partial refund. So you're going to have to enter your bank information. eBay used to have an agreement with PayPal and use PayPal as their primary payment system. That ended earlier this year, and now everything in eBay is set up through managed payments. So you do not have a choice any longer. You will have to set up managed payments. So once you go to that payment location, you're going to have to input your bank account information so you can get paid. And they will ask some other financial information. And again, some people are uncomfortable giving that information, which is why you may even want to set up a totally separate bank account for your eBay business. Again, don't commingle funds and have your personal banking account connected to your eBay business account. So basically, that is it. You are ready to go. So see you next time. Bye for now.